Good afternoon, students. Chapter number 4, Computer Lab Rules and Etiquettes. We learn already this chapter. Today's let's see summary of this chapter and exercise. Page number 38 to 41. Our topic is Information Technology Standard 5th. So let's see page number 38. Computer Lab Rules and Etiquettes. Students, we learn with the help of animation videos also and workbook helps. Okay, so let's see one more time. Computer Lab Rules and Etiquettes. Computer an electronic machine and should be handled properly, otherwise it may break down. Means operating system programs also break down, hardware also break down. To avoid this, we have to follow certain rules and etiquettes. Okay, so rules and etiquettes. Operate computer under guidance your teacher. So don't remove or disconnect any cable. Know your its peripherals where well. Do not bring outside CD floppy and pen drives without permission of your teacher. Do not change display setting of the monitor. Keyboard, use keyboard and mouse gently, softly. Okay. Always move the mouse on mouse pad. Do not insert any sharp object in CD or floppy drives. Okay. Do not eat or drink inside computer lab. Switch off computer after you have finished your working. Keep your area neat and clean. Like that, moral values also for us. Also health precautions while using computer. See this precautions: sit straight, 90 degrees, hands, keep distance 2 feet, minimum 2 feet. See this. Then technical precautions, very important and useful information for you. See this, in computer important and useful information and programs are stored which are required for future use. To keep them safe. Keep them safe. What? Keep them information and programs. So we have to take certain precautions. So attach or connect UPS for of your computer. It is also electronic machine, you can say. Also stabilizer, required continuous supply of electric power to working. Both hardware and software may adversely affected if the sudden power failure. Hardware may get permanently damaged while software may get corrupted. Okay, you can't do work after damage. Okay, so let's see, to avoid this, we cannot connect device called UPS to supply computer in case power failure, and UPS can supply power some more time, allowing you to safely shut down the computer. Okay, earthing is most important part of electricity. Okay, so see this, essential for computer as it prevents us from getting shocks. When the computer is powered on, earthing should be done technically and perfectly for safe work on computer. Computer virus is a small program which infect the computer by corrupting the files and uses the computer memory without our knowledge. So virus enter the computer while surfing the net or through emails as well as through floppies, CDs and pen drives. Antivirus programs are used detect and remove viruses from your computer system. On detecting virus, antivirus program either remove the virus or deletes the infected files from your computer. This type of antivirus program automatically loads in computer memory when the computer switch on and the infected file message is displayed on the screen. In order to keep computer free from viruses, we have installed antivirus programs like Norton, AVG, IBM, Quick Heal, etc. We have regularly update the program so that we have the latest antivirus program installed. So student, see this computer lab rules and etiquettes. Now, so important part of our studies exercise. Answer briefly. Write the any three lab rules. Answer available on page number 38. Write any three moral values. Page number 38. Answer available on. What happens if suddenly the electricity goes off? Answer page number 39. How to find? See this page number 39. See this. Both hardware and software may be affected if there is sudden power failure. Hardware may get permanently damaged while software may get corrupted. So question number 1 in bracket 3. So like that each and every questions answer have in these books. Each and every questions answer have inside this workbook. So let's say go fast. Write any three moral values. Page number answer available on 38. What happens if suddenly electricity goes off? What are the precautions taken while sitting in front of computer? See page number 38 and 39. Next, answer in one sentence. What is the virus? Page number 39. What is the use of UPS? Page number 39. Answer available on. Next, name some of the antivirus program. So page number 40. How does virus affected the computer? Page number 39. Next, fill in the blanks. So full form of UPS. The monitor should be distance. Dash blink your eyes often. Do not change any computer settings to detect the virus in your computer antivirus program. State true or false. Answer always keep mouse on mousepad. True. Computer virus Is hardware false? Norton AVG are antivirus program? Yes. So true, false, true, false, true, false. So see these answers. Each and every question's answer available inside workbook. So carefully solve and complete day to day your homework or classwork. Okay, thank you. I'll see you next chapter with communication devices. Bye.